What if the most dangerous secret on Earth isn't locked in a Nevada bunker or under Geneva, but buried 60 feet beneath African soil? What if science already knows, and what was dug up will shatter and rebuild our reality in the next few years? Right now, a restricted region in Africa holds a truth mainstream history refuses to admit. For centuries, scholars dismissed local world records as myths. Then geologists dug past the boundaries. What they found didn't just prove the elders right. It terrified the researchers. The evidence is clear. Everything we've been taught about human history, technology, and our future is a lie. For generations, schools taught that ancient Africa was a blank canvas waiting to be civilized. But the deeper we dig, the more it looks like they didn't misread history. They hid the blueprints. Look at Great Zimbabwe's stone walls, built without mortar, standing for centuries. Look at the Dogon tribe of Mali, who mapped Sirius B, a star invisible to the naked eye centuries before telescopes existed. When asked how, they said, "We preserved it from those before us." Academia called it superstition, but history isn't a straight line from ignorant to smart. It's a cycle, and we're at the edge of a reset. Why keep this quiet? A people cut off from their origins are easy to control. Today's Africa looks broken by design, but a sleeping giant is waking. Elders warned, when the earth shifts and old systems crack, forgotten knowledge will rise. That's why these sites are now under corporate and military lockdown. So what's the secret 60 feet down? A mathematical calendar carved into bedrock. A cosmic blueprint that maps the rise and fall of empires. The calculations say our current system of financial and cultural dominance has reached its expiration date. Africa isn't humanity's forgotten past. It's the unavoidable future. The shift has started. Watch the markets fracture. Watch old structures crumble. Type awake if you feel history changing. Comment why they hid this. I'll reply to the first 100. Subscribe. Now tomorrow we drop the dig site, coordinates and footage they tried to delete. Stay awake.